Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to take revision of lesson Tick Tick Tick. Children, in this topic you will learn to read the time in different ways, concept of AM and PM, and you will also know how can you calculate time interval. So let us start. Children, as you all know, time is measured in hours, minute or second, and one day has 24 hours. Okay, children, time is represented in two ways: 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. Children, 12 hours clock we use in our daily life, and 24 hours clock is used by railway or airlines, right? Children, we represent time in AM or PM in 12 hours clock. Children, for 12 o'clock time we do not use AM and PM. We simply say 12 o'clock noon or 12 o'clock midnight, right? Children, the time after 12 midnight is represented in AM, or you can say the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is represented in AM. For example, if you get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, means this time will be 4 AM. And children, the time after 12 o'clock noon till 12 o'clock midnight, this time is represented in PM. For example, if you play at 4 o'clock, it means you play at 4 PM. Okay, children, hope you all have understood the concept of AM and PM. Now let us know how can we read time in different manner. Children, here you can see a clock, and this clock is divided in two parts by this dotted line. Children, you also know that big hand is known as minute hand and the small hand is known as hours hand. The big needle tells time in minute and the small needle tells time in hours. And between two numbers there is a time of 5 minutes. Okay. Now, when the minute hand is on right side, when the minute hand is on right side, means this side, we read time as minute past. But when this minute hand is on left side, then the time is read as minutes too. Okay, and if the minute hand is on 3, then the time is read as quarter past. And when the minute hand is on 9, the time is read as quarter to. And when the minute hand is on 6, the time is read as half past. Okay, now let us take one example to understand it in better ways. Children, suppose the big hand is on 5. Okay, Now, as you see in the clock, the small hand is on 4. So 4, and big hand is on 5, means 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Because big hand is to the right side of this dotted line, so it will be read as past. So we will read it 25 minutes past 4. Okay, children, we can read this time in different way. Let us see how. Children, here you can see, if this big needle will go on 12, this small needle will also move correspondingly and go on 5. Okay, so you can say how many minutes are left to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, means 35 minutes to 5. So we can read time in different ways, same time in different ways. We can read it as 4:25, or we can read it as 25 minutes past 4, or we can read it as 35 minutes to 5. Let us take more examples. Children, here in this clock, if you see, the small hand is on 4 and the big hand is on 11. It means it is not complete 4 in the clock. So how many minutes are left to 4? 5 minutes. So what you will write? 5 minutes yes, 5 minutes to 4. Correct? Now just see it in different manner. Before that, the small needle was on 3. Right? It means, what is the time? So you will calculate from here till here. 3:55. It means the time is 55 minutes past 3. Okay, so we can read it 5 minutes to 4 or 55 minutes past 3. Now let us take next example. Here you can see a small needle is little above from 9 and the big needle is on 6. So it will read as half past. So half past 9 or 9:30. Okay. Now let us see how can we calculate time interval. Children, here in this clock, what is the time? 10 minutes left to 1. It means 10 minutes to 1. And time in this second clock, the small needle is on 2 and the big needle is on 5, means 5 5 the 25, 2:25. Or you can write 25 minutes past 2. Okay, now we have to tell the time interval between 10 minutes to 1 to 25 minutes past 2. So what we will do, children? First we will take this, and after that take this time interval and we will add. So this time is 10 minutes and this time is 25 minutes. So When added together, it comes 35 minutes. So time interval between these two clocks will be 35 minutes. Children, hope you all have understood. So please do practice and build your concept. Thank you and have a nice day.